Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kevin Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Welcome back to another episode of Asian Food. And today, I'm going to show you how to prepare a simple bean sprout stir fried with some chopped garlic and some firm tofu. It's quick and easy, and you can get it prepared within 10 minutes. And if you do not want to use the firm tofu, you can substitute it with any other meat if you do not want it to make it a complete vegetarian dish. For example, pork and beef is really up to your choice. So without further delay, let's get started. The ingredients required are quite simple: some mung bean sprouts, some firm tofu, red chili, green onions, and some chopped garlic. For the mung bean sprouts, we need to clean it with water to remove any dirt. The mung bean sprout is now clean, and you look at the water, there's some impurities. As you can see, I have removed it. Also, you may want to check the sprouts, especially the root part of it. If it's too long, you may want to pluck it away because it can be quite fibrous. But the mung beans today that I have is quite of good quality, so I do need to do that. Drain them in the colander to remove as much water as possible. Since we are going to stir fry the mung bean sprouts, we need to drain it as much as possible because the mung bean sprouts itself already have a high content of water. Now get ready some secondary ingredients. I have already chopped the garlic. So next, cut the green onions into short sections. Red chili into thin rings. Firm tofu into slices. If you are not intend to make a full vegetarian dish, you can substitute the tofu with other proteins such as chicken, pork, or even beef. Before we proceed to stir fry the mung bean sprouts, let's make the sauce. This is sesame oil, light soy sauce, salt, some sugar, which is optional, and a dash of white pepper. Heat some oil in a large wok or skillet. Saute the garlic over low heat. Be sure you use low heat because high heat can burn the garlic easily. Next, add the firm tofu. Stir fry for about a minute, then I'll remove the firm tofu so that I will not break the tofu when I stir fry the bean sprout later. Now add the drained bean sprout into the wok. Stir fry for about half a minute, and then I'll add the seasoning ingredients that I have already prepared. In the process, you do not need to add any water because the sprouts will release a lot of water in the process. Then, after about a minute, return the tofu, add the green onions, mix it well, and lastly, add the chopped chili. Mix well and combine. Look at the color. And then quickly remove it from the wok to prevent it from overcooking. That's how to make a simple stir-fried bean sprout dish with firm tofu and some chopped garlic. And if you want to get a recipe, I've included it in the description below the videos. And don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.